Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Excalibur Data Systems Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson, and we are joined today by one of my favorite people across the pond, Tom Petley from Halo ITSM. Tom, thanks for joining me.
Hey Mike, thanks for having me on again.
Yeah, absolutely. Got an exciting announcement.
Yeah, I
The
do. Yeah,
Halo community is live. It's been launched. So, what is the Halo community?
Halo Community. Yeah, it's something that's been in the pipeline a little while. Something we've always wanted to do, and we've now finally got been able to launch it, which is really exciting for us. So it's a place basically that customers, partners, anyone can really go on there and just talk to each other, raise kind of ask for advice, kind of showcase different things that they've done with Halo, and just really talk to each other, kind of learn from each other, and also kind of talk to us as well, suggest features and kind of give us feedback and things like that. So it's a real all-inclusive platform to basically all things Halo, which is quite nice for us because it's that's what we talk about a lot of time, and it's nice we've got a platform that we can kind of share those thoughts with others. And already, we only launched it at the start of the week, and already the amount of engagement and the amount of ideas that are coming out, it's really incredible, to be honest. It's
That's
uh,
exciting. Now, you
yeah,
were going to share it with us, right?
yeah. I've got it here actually. I'll just share my screen. So as I said at the start, any customers, partners, sign up to here. You basically just sign up with LinkedIn's probably your best one. There's a LinkedIn option. You sign up with LinkedIn, and it will automatically pull your photo through and all that kind of stuff. And the way we've set it up is that we've got these options down the left-hand side here. So we've got things like announcements that we put up. So this could be different events we're attending, kind of webinars we're doing, all that kind of stuff here. It's actually a webinar I did a couple of days ago for Splashtop, but this is just kind of where we're going to push events, and hopefully people kind of able to engage with that and kind of join those different events that's happening. The next one here, we're just doing product updates. So you'll see here kind of, we do quarterly releases at Halo. So this is where we're going to be pushing those release notes, kind of those key features, and just talking about the different features that are coming up as well. So these are our kind of product updates for everyone. It kind of leads into this kind of main area here, this connect area. And this is where we kind of envisage a lot of people kind of talking to each other and sharing ideas and all that kind of stuff. So if I go into one of these, the ask for advice, and this is where people just ask for ideas. So someone here is just asking for icons for tickets, little things like that. Just and then someone else has been able to share those icons and kind of shared feedback on how they've done it. So really great for just those conversations and things like that. It's not designed as a support portal at all. That's what Halo's for. This is designed for a place where people can ask questions, kind of share knowledge, help each other out, and also for us to kind of suggest tips and tricks and give a nice platform for everyone to engage with.
Very cool. I know we've been talking as a partner. We've been talking with you guys about this for a while, and it's exciting to see it come to life and have folks joining and the sharing and collaborative knowledge that's out there because you know there's in almost all systems there's more than one way to approach something, and to get some different ideas and see what other customers are doing, or overcome a challenge with some guidance from a fellow administrator who's been there, done that, has the T-shirt to prove it. I'm really excited to watch this community blossom. As you said, it's just recently launched, and we've already got quite a bit of engagement within the community, which is so exciting. And I'm so excited to see how this goes. Now, there are I see the feature suggestions section there. That's something you guys are monitoring, right?
Yeah, this is something that I'm really keen to see how it takes off, really, because historically how we've done feature suggestions are they'll come through the customer success manager, they'll come through support channels, they'll come off the back of projects, come off the back of sales, that kind of stuff. But they all reside in Halo, in our Halo, our own version of Halo. It gets confusing, but they don't really become visible to, well, they don't become visible to the public until we schedule them onto the roadmap. So we've got a lot of change. We've got honestly thousands and thousands of suggestions sitting in our Halo, which it's almost just us at the moment who are evaluating how useful it is and how we think that will the uptake of it be for the rest of our customer base. So what we're looking at here with this feature suggestion area is a place where we can put these features suggestions. And we can actually, customers can just, or partners or even prospects can just talk to each other and put comments on there, like them. And you'll see here we're already kind of getting these some of these features here are really, really popular already. And the more likes and the more comments and things like that we get, that's when we start to kind of pick them out and put them onto our roadmap and say, okay, we're going to schedule this one into the next sprint or whatever it is. And for us, this is how we always talk about being customer focused and wanting to drive the development based on feedback from customers. And we've missed this little link here, which is where people can actually vote on each other's suggestions and comment on them. So we're just really excited to see how this takes off. And then once they're kind of scheduled, it then goes on to our existing roadmap, which is our Halo roadmap, which lives on here, which is on our website /roadmap, where you can see all the in progress, up next, future enhancements, all that kind of stuff.
That's it's really exciting. I'm really excited to see this take flight. I mean, one of the things as an organization, you've always been very transparent with customers, prospects, anybody that wants to hit the website can see the roadmap, see where things are headed. And this just brings additional transparency to the overall process. And you've always been customer focused. I can say that as a partner. We've always had great interactions with the Halo team as we've worked with customers, and I know that's shared amongst the partner community. And your responsiveness to customer needs has always been there. And this is just I think this is a great way. I'm excited. I like the thumbs up, right? I was like, okay, cool. I know you as a product manager and the owner of Halo ITSM. That gives you an idea. Well, we thought this thing would be exciting. But customers think this thing's more exciting. Okay. Exactly. That helps give you some guidance on the things that customers are looking for.
The thing I love about the thumbs up and thumbs down is, or not thumbs down, just thumbs up. It's so easy. It's so simple. You don't have to spend ages putting a comment on or justifying why you think it's good. If you just like it and give it a thumbs up, then that's all we really need. Just that little indication that that's something you're interested in. And overall, some people put comments on there and probably trying to shape how the feature is actually developed, and that's great as well. But really, we just want to know the overall kind of sentiment towards the feature, and that's kind of enough to guide us, really.
Well, I saw, the one that had bubbled to the top already just in a number of days was, bulk updates of tickets. And that's a challenge in many platforms that are out there. And there are ways to actually accomplish that in Halo today. And so I look at that. It's always an exciting thing for me, having been a partner of products for so many years, and having been a Halo partner now for a number of years. It helps us also understand, hey, this may be something we want to include in training as well. I see it quite often where a feature request will come in, or somebody will say, hey, it'd be nice if we could do X. And it's like, well, we can. They just didn't know how. And sometimes that shapes the knowledge articles, that shapes training documents that are out there. And it might be something that's part of a larger training document, but hey, this is something that's being asked about a lot. Let's put a specific document out that covers just this topic. So it starts to shape so many things in so many ways.
There's been a few of them already where I've seen, okay, actually you can do this, but you do it this way. Or someone suggested something the other day, and I think it was this morning actually, and it was great because I could then go on there and say, actually, we've already done this, and it's coming in the next release. We're kind of a little bit ahead of you, but it's great to see that kind of demand is there, if that makes sense.
Absolutely. No, it helps, as the vendor, right? It helps you're on track. Okay, great. We guessed right on that one. Because it is hard to know, okay, what are the next things? And we're going to do another video on kind of what's new in Halo. because there's always something new in Halo. If you subscribe to the feed, you'll find out every week what's new and what's coming, right? It is literally that often that new things are introduced and available, at very least through the beta channel. This is just so exciting to now see the community out there. So, reach out to us here at Excalibur. You can sign up for a free trial of Halo from our website, or hit the Halo website, join the community, and learn more about Halo. And for the customers that are out there that are already availing themselves of this fantastic platform, get out there and join the community and be part of the discussion and help shape really where Halo goes next. Tom, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks a lot, Mike.